Hello children, it is a great pleasure to meet you through this Max online class. In previous class, we have studied about associative property for the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on various sets of numbers. Today, we are going to learn about distributive property. Okay. Already two properties are we have studied. Yes children, one is commutative property and second is associative property we have studied. Today we are going to learn about one more property, distributive property. Okay, in distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay children, here two types of there. First one is distributive property of multiplication over addition and another one distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, now let us learn about the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, now all of you look at the board, see the definition. If there are three numbers A, B and C, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. You see here two operations are there. Yes children. So distributive property of multiplication over addition, multiplication and addition, two types of operations are there. Okay, so do carefully. Okay, if you see the definition, that very important. Okay, if there are three numbers A, B and C, then A into B plus C, here B and C are together in one bracket. Okay, so A into B plus C equal to A into B, A into B plus A into C. Okay, multiply பண்ணிருக்கத பாரு எப்படி பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு, A into B plus A into C. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay children, these both sides are equal in distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, now let us check this property on various sets of number. Okay, so first of all you take natural and whole numbers. Okay children, for example 2, 5 and 8. Okay, here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 8. Okay children, now let us check the definition of A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of A into B plus C. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 8. Okay, so A into B plus C means 2 into 5 plus 8. Okay children, here A into B plus C, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 8. Okay, so that's why 2 into 5 plus 8. Now what to do? First of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Yes children, yes or no? Yes, that is BODMAS rule. Okay, so 2 into 5 plus 8, how much? 13. Okay, so the value of 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now what is the answer? 2 into 13. Here multiplication operation, here plus addition. Okay, so that's why 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now you multiply 2 and 13. 2 13s are 26. So your answer left hand side A into B plus C answer is 26. Okay, now you come to the right hand side. Okay children, right hand side what is there? A into B plus A into C. Okay, A into B plus A into C. Here both that multiplication and addition operation is there. Yes children, yes or no? So whenever there are more than one operation, we use the BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule. Here B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication and A for addition and subtraction, S for subtraction. Okay, so now let us find A into B plus A into C. Okay, here A is equal to 2. So 2 into, that is multiplication, 2 into B is equal to 5. 5 minus, sorry, plus A into C. Here A is equal to 2 multiply C is equal to 8. Okay. Now you see here which operations you first will do. Bracket is not there. Oh, off not there. Division also not there. So next multiplication. Okay. Multiplication. Here multiplication. Is there multiplication? Yes. Here. Here also there. Here also there. Okay. So now find the value of 2 into 5. Okay. 2 5s are 10. Plus sign is there. Okay. Same sign plus sign. Now 2 8s are. 2 8s are 16. So your total answer 10 plus 16 is equal to 26. You see here. These both values are same. Yes, children? Both values are same. Yes or no? Yes. So, distributive property is true for multiplication over addition. Okay? Clear? Now, let us take integers. Okay? So, now, let us take integers. For example, minus 5, 3 and 4. Okay, children. Now, let us check this property, multiplication over addition. Okay. So, here A is equal to minus 5, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. Okay. So, first of all, we have to find the value of A into B plus C. Here A is equal to minus 5 into B plus C. So, here B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. Okay. So, that's why 3 plus 4 equal to, first of all, we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay. So, minus 5 multiply 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. So, now multiplication. So, minus 5 into 7 minus 35. Minus into plus minus. 5 7s are 35. Yes, children. Now, let us find right hand side value. Okay. That means A into B plus A into C. Okay. Here A is equal to minus 5 into P is equal to 3 plus here A is equal to minus 5 into 4. Okay. So which operations we will do first? Multiplication. Yes, multiplication after only addition. Okay, children. Why? The board mass rule. Board mass rule is there. So that's why first we will do multiplication operation. Okay. So minus 5 into 3 minus 15 plus is there. Next minus 5 into 4 minus 20. Okay. So minus 15 plus minus 20. How much your answer? You see here in addition if the integers are same sign. So we find the sum and same sign. Okay. Put the same sign. So 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. The same sign minus. So your answer is minus 35. Now you see here. Minus 35 minus 35. Yes, children. Here the values are same. Okay. So distributive property of multiplication over addition is true for on integers. Okay, children. Now let us check this property on rational numbers. Okay. The next set of numbers, rational numbers. So now you take 3 rational numbers. Okay. One is minus 2 upon 4, 1 upon 3 and one more number 1 upon 2. Okay, children. Okay. Yes. Now check this property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. So here A is equal to minus 2 upon 4, B is equal to 1 upon 3, C is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. So that's why A into B plus C is equal to A minus 2 upon 4. That is multiplication into P plus C. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, children. Now you find the value. First minus 2 upon 4 multiply. We have to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay. So here you see here in addition denominator are different. Okay. நம்ம addition நால என்ன செய்யணும்? Denominator தான் பார்க்கணும். உங்க denominator என்னவா இருக்கு? Different-ஆ இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? LCM method follow பண்ணனும் இல்லனா cross multiplication method follow பண்ணனும். Okay, I am following cross multiplication method. Okay children, now you multiply by cross 1 and 2. So 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3. Here plus is that, so that's why plus upon. Now you multiply numerator, that is denominator by denominator. Okay, so that's why 3 2s are 6. So next minus 2 upon 4, multiply 2 plus 3, 5, 5 upon 6. Okay children, now in multiplication, first of all you check numerator and denominator between any common factors. Okay, here is there, yes children, here minus 2, here 6, or here 4 also there. So now you divide by 2. Okay, so 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, clear? So what is the answer? Minus 1 into 5. In multiplication, multiply by numerator. Okay, so that's why minus 1 into 5, minus 5 upon 2 6 are 12. Okay children, 2 6 are 12. Now let us check a into b plus a into c. Okay, here a is equal to minus 2 upon 4, multiply 1 upon 3 plus again a minus 2 upon 4, multiply c 1 upon 2. Okay, yes. Now first of all we have to find the value of multiplication operation. Okay, why? The BODMAS rule, multiplication after only addition. Okay children, so let us find this value. Okay, so minus 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 3. Here any common factors? Yes, 1 upon 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So the remaining in multiplication, multiply by numerator. Okay, so that's why minus 1 into 1, minus 1 upon 2 3s are 6. Next plus, now 2 2 cancel. Okay, so your answer minus 1 upon 4. Here 1 is there, so that's why minus 1 into 1 upon 4. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you see here addition operation. So first of all you check the denominator. Okay, denominator are different. So what to do? என்ன செய்யணும்? denominator same இல்ல, நமக்கு different இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? You following LCM method or cross multiplication method. Okay, so cross multiplication method I using minus 1 into 4 multiply by cross, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 plus 6 into minus 1 minus 6 upon 6 4s are 24. Yes children, now minus 4 plus minus 6, how much? Minus 10 upon 24. Yes, now you see here it is not standard form. Why? Numerator and denominator between common factors. Yes children, so it is surely divided by 2. Okay, so that's why 5 2s are 10, 12 2s are 24. So the remaining minus 5 upon 12. You see here these both answers are equal. Yes children, so distributive property of multiplication over addition is true for rational numbers. Okay, clear? Yes. Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. Children, all of you take your classwork note. Write the heading distributive property. Write the heading distributive property. And then before you write today's day and date. Okay children, all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date and write the heading distributive property. Okay, then after leave one finger space, then write the subheading distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, you write the definition. If there are three numbers a comma b and c, then a into b plus c is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, write it in the classwork note. Next property is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, same property only. This also write in your classwork note. Okay. Right, children? You write second property of multiplication over subtraction also you write. Okay, second point also you write. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition and distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, children, write it. Write neatly. Both points are very, very important. Okay. Study. Okay. Finished? Now listen. See here, second point, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, you see here, A into B minus C, here plus, over addition, that's why plus operation, here over subtraction, so that's why minus sign. Okay, children? So difference between over addition and over subtraction. Okay, listen carefully. Here A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, here A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, children? Difference புரியுதா? Over additionல நம்மளுக்கு இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? Plus sign இருக்கு. அதே over subtractionல இங்க நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? Minus sign இருக்கு. சரியா? So இதையும் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? Various sets of numberக்கு check பண்ணணும். So check பண்ணா கண்டிப்பா என்னவா தான் இருக்கும்? True தான் இருக்கும். Okay, children? Okay, that's in your book. Okay, you read it. Okay, children? Now let us see the examples. Okay, so listen all of you. Come to the problem sums. Okay. verify. In first question, first one, minus 3 into 4 minus 5. Minus 3 into 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 5. You see here, which property is going on? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Yes, children? நம்ம இது எப்படி இருக்கு பாரு, இது எந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியை நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஞாபகப்படுத்துது? டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஆஃப் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஓவர் addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Okay, you see here minus sign is there. You see here in center of these two values minus. So that's why distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c, like this. Yes, children? Yes or no? Yes. So now what to do? Verify the following. Verify means ரெண்டு சைடும் என்னது நம்மளுக்கு ஈக்குவல்னு வெரிஃபை பண்ணணும். சரியா? இது டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஆஃப் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஓவர் அடிஷன் அப்படி தான் என்ன செய்யணும்? ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? இந்த டூ சைடும் ஈக்குவல்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டாலே நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆயிரும்? அது distributive property of multiplication over addition, sorry, subtraction is verified. Okay, children? So first of all you take left hand side. Okay, you take left hand side. Left hand side, what is there? This is the left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, so here left hand side minus 3 into 4 minus 5. This is the left hand side value. Okay, children? So you take left hand side value minus 3 into 4 minus 5. Now let us find the value of minus 3 into 4 minus 5. Okay, so minus 3 into 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 are inside the bracket. Yes, children? So we have to find the value of inside the bracket first. Okay, so minus 3 multiplication, here what is there? 4 minus 5. What is the value of 4 minus 5? Here subtraction is there. Yes, children? So 4 minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of 5? Minus 5. Okay, clear? So minus 3 multiply 4 plus minus 5, our answer is minus 1. Clear? புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்ம முதல்ல என்ன செய்யணும்? பிராக்கெட்ல இருக்க வேல்யூவை முதல்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். பிராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? இங்க நம்மளுக்கு மைனஸ் இருக்கு. மைனஸ் இருந்தா என்ன செய்யணும்? While subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay, so that's why 4 minus sign into plus, 4 plus minus 5. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now find the value of 4 plus minus 5, minus 1. How? The integers having different sign. One is positive, another is negative. So find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, so that's why your answer is minus 1. Now minus 3 into minus 1, how much your answer? Minus into minus, here multiplication. So minus into minus plus 3 1 is 3. So your answer is 3. Okay, so the left hand side minus 3 into 4 minus 5 value is 3. Okay, children? Now you take right hand side. Okay, so right hand side, what is there? Minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 5. Okay, children? Clear? Now left hand side answer is 3. Now you take right hand side. நம்மளுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும்? left hand side right hand side ஈக்குவல்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். அப்ப இதோட வேல்யூவையும் என்னவா இருக்கணும்? ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும். சரியா? So now first value is finished. Now you find the value of minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 5. Okay, now what to do? Which operations we'll do first? Multiplication. Okay, in Bode-Mass rule, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, subtraction. So addition before multiplication is there. Yes, so then then after only subtraction. Okay children, so we will do multiplication operation. Okay, so that is this minus 3 into 4 multiplication. So minus 3 into 4, what is the value? Minus into plus minus, 3 4s are 12. Now your sign minus is there. Okay, minus. Now you find minus 3 into 5. Minus into plus minus, 3 5s are 15. Okay, okay, minus 15. This sign already is there. Yes children, so do carefully. Okay, idoda value da minus 12. இங்க ஒரு minus நம்மளுக்கு ஏற்கனவே இருக்கு. இதோட value minus 15. Okay, now minus 12. Okay, here subtraction operation. So in subtraction, while subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtraction. Okay, so here minus sign into plus, that time we put the additive inverse. So additive inverse of minus 15 is 15. Okay, now what's your answer? Minus 12 plus 15, 3 only. Yes children, how? The integers are different sign. One is positive, one is negative. So find that difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, difference means subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, so 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. The greater value sign is positive only. So your answer is 3. Okay, now you check. Yes, that's the left hand side answer also 3. Right hand side answer also 3. So these both are equal. Okay children, so therefore minus 3 into 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 5. Hence verified. Okay, clear? Yes. Write it in the classwork note. Write it. Do you understand? Right children, write the heading problems and write the question. Okay, verify the following. In first question, first one. Write neatly children. Have you finished? Now you come to the second one. Verify. 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 equal to 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. Okay children, you see here which property? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, you see here addition is there. but the property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, now here these are both are equal, that's only we have to find. Okay children, so first of all you take left hand side. Okay, left hand side, what is there? You take left hand side. Okay, left hand side 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, so now you find the value of left hand side answer. Okay children, yes, so 4 upon 7 multiply, you see that bracket inside what is there? 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3, addition is going on. Yes, so we will see denominator, here denominator are difference. Okay, so what to do? Following cross multiplication method or LCM method. Okay children, here I am following cross multiplication. Okay, so you now cross multiply, 5 3s are 15 plus 6 1 is 6 upon 6 3s are 18. Okay, clear? இதோட வேல்யூ நம்மளுக்கு பிராக்கெட்ல இருக்கிறது தான் முதல்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். பிராக்கெட்ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. அப்ப இதோட வேல்யூ முதல்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து அடிஷன், ஆனால் டினாமினேட்டர் என்னவா இருக்கு? வேற டிஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கு. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? மல்டிப்ளை பை கிராஸ். ஓகே, கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன், வி ஃபாலோ த கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட் ஆர் எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட். ஓகே, நம்ம ரெண்டு மெத்தட்லையுமே செய்யலாம். நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன்? கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தடில் போட்டிருக்கேன். சரியா? ஸோ கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட்னா என்ன? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிராஸில் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை 5 3s are 15. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹியர் plus 1 6 is 6, then after, okay, over 6 3s are 18. Okay, so 15 plus 6 upon 18. Next step, 4 upon 7 multiply, now 15 plus 6 21 upon 18. Okay children, now you see here multiplication. So multiplication na enna chediralam, common factors irukani paathiralam. Seriya? So common factors, yes, here 4, here 18, so it is divided by 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18. Here 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So now remaining here 2, here 3. Okay, so multiply by numerator. So 2 3s are 6. So wait, here also 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so the remaining here 2 1. So 1 2 is 2 upon here denominator have 1 and 3. So multiply by denominator by denominator. Okay, so that's why 1 3 is 3. So your answer is 2 upon 3. Left hand side answer is 2 upon 3. Okay, now you find the value of right hand side value. What is given right hand side? 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. Okay children, you see here first of all we have to find the value of operation multiplication. Okay, in board mass rule. Okay children, so first of all you have find the value of 4 upon 6 into 5 upon 6, then after find the value of 4 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. Okay, here any common factors? Yes, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay, next no remaining. Okay, so that's why in multiplication multiply by numerator. So 2 5s are 10, 7 3s are 21 plus here no common factor. Yes children, so you multiply by numerator. So that's why 1 4 is 4, 7 3s are 21. Okay, clear? Yes, now you see here in addition denominator are same. Yes or no? So you do directly. Okay, that means you add by numerators. Yes children, so 10 plus 4 upon 21. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 upon 21. Now it is standard form? No. Why? Between numerator and denominator have common factors. It is, yes children, it is surely divided by 7. Yes or no? Yes. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So your answer is remaining numerator have 2, denominator have 3. So that's why 2 upon 3. Now you see here left hand side answer is 2 upon 3, right hand side answer is 2 upon 3. These both values are equal. Okay, so therefore left hand side and right hand side are equal. hence verified. Okay children, clear? Yes, write it in the classwork note. Do it. Write neatly children in first question, second one. Okay, do it. Have you finished? Next question. Third one. Minus 9 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 18 minus 10 upon 19 is equal to minus 9 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 18 minus 9 upon 5 into 10 upon 9. Okay? Yes children? Okay. Now you see the question. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Yes children? Here subtraction is there. So you see here in between subtraction. So this is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay? Now you verify this question. So first of all you take left hand side. Okay children, so your left hand side is minus 9 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 18 minus 10 upon 9. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay, here curly bracket is given, no problem. So you do first here. Okay, so minus 9 upon 5 into, you see here minus is there. In subtraction, while subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay, so that's why minus 5 upon 18 minus sign into plus sign, that time we put the rest, that is additive inverse. Okay, so the additive inverse of 10 upon 9 is equal to minus 10 upon 9. Okay children? Okay? Yes. Now you see here addition. So என்ன செய்யணும்? அடிஷன்னாலே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்யணும்? டினாமினேட்டரை பாரு. டினாமினேட்டர் நம்மளுக்கு என்னவா இருக்கு? டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணணும், இல்லைனா எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். நீ எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் உனக்கு இங்கே ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். உனக்கு டினாமினேட்டர் பார்த்த உடனே தெரியும். கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தடில் நம்மளுக்கு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன வந்துடும்? டினாமினேட்டர் பிக் நம்பர் வந்துடும். ஸோ கேன்சல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும் சரியா. ஸோ அப்போ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாலே தெரியும் இங்கே 18 இருக்குது இங்கே 9 இருக்குது. அப்போ எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் வந்து என்னவா இருக்கும் ஈஸி. ஸோ வி ஃபாலோ த எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் ஓகே. ஸோ ரெண்டு மெத்தடில் எதுனாலும் உனக்கு சரிதான். ஆனால் நான் இங்கே என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன் எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் வி ஃபைண்ட் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் minus 5 upon 18 plus minus 10 upon 9 okay. So you have find the LCM of 18 comma 9. How much LCM? This is 3 table yes. So 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, again 3 table 2 1 again 2 table okay. So your LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 okay children. Here one that is rational number have denominator 18 only okay. So you leave it. Next rational number you take minus 10 upon 9. So minus 10 upon 9. Now you multiply. Which number you want to multiply? 2. Why? Here denominator as 18 yes children. So you multiply by numerator by denominator okay. So 9 2s are 80. So numerator minus 10 2s are minus 20 okay children clear. So you come here minus 9 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 18 plus minus 10 upon 19 is equivalent to minus 20 upon 18. புரிஞ்சுதா? minus 10 upon 9க்கு பிறகு எப்படி இது வந்துச்சுன்னு என்ன செய்திருக்கோம் LCM எடுத்திருக்கோம். LCM நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வந்துச்சு 18. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு டினாமினேட்டர் 18 வரணும். அப்போ இங்கே 9 இருக்குது. அப்போ எதால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் ஓகே. ஸோ இங்கே டினாமினேட்டர் 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் நியூமரேட்டரும் என்னவா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் ஓகே. ஸோ that's why minus 10 2s are 20. Denominator is 18. Now you see here denominator are same. So we add only the numerators okay. So minus 9 upon 5 multiply we add only the numerator. So that's why minus 5 plus minus 20 upon 18 okay children okay. Next minus 9 upon 5 into now you add minus 5 plus minus 20 minus 15 okay. If here the integers are same sign so we add their absolute values and put the same sign okay. So that's why minus 25 upon 18. Now you see here multiplication. So any common factors? Yes. 1 5 is 5, 5 5s are 25 and here 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. So the remaining how much is there? Numerator have minus 1 and minus 5. So 1 5 is 5 minus into minus plus. So 5 upon the denominator have 1 and 2. So that's why 1 2 is 2. So your answer is 5 upon 2 okay children clear. So the left hand side answer is 5 upon 2 okay. Now you find the value of right hand side okay. This is rough work okay. Now you take right hand side. Right hand side is minus 9 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 18 minus minus 9 upon 5 into 10 upon 9 okay. You hear multiplication only first we'll do yes children. Why? Bodmas rule okay. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, next M only is there. So M only that means multiplication okay. So multiplication. So you find the value of minus 9 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 18. Here multiplication. So if any common factors are there, yes 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Here 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18 okay. So now the remaining minus 1 here also minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1 upon the denominator have 1 2 is 2 okay. This minus next here multiplication okay children. So you multiply by this rational number okay. So any common factors? Yes here it is divided by 9. 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Okay, the remaining in multiplication numerator by numerator. Okay children, so multiply numerator by numerator. Here minus 1 and 2, so minus 1 into 2 minus 2 upon denominator have 1 into 1, so 1 ones are 1. Okay, yes. Now you see here subtraction. Yes, so in subtraction what to do? While subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay, so 1 upon 2 minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 2? Here minus 2 upon 1 can be written as only minus 2 only. Okay, so what is the additive inverse of minus 2? Plus 2. Okay children, so 2 upon 1. Is that no? நம்மளுக்கு additive inverse என்ன சைனை மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியும். So additive inverse of minus 2 upon 1 is 2 upon 1. Now you see here denominator are different in addition. Okay, so we follow any one method, LCM or cross. Here the denominator have small numbers, so you follow by cross multiplication method. Okay, so 1 1 is 1 plus 2 2s are 4 upon 1 2 is 2. So your answer is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 upon 2. Okay, so left hand side answer is 5 upon 2, right hand answer also 5 upon 2. So these both sides are equal. Okay children, hence verified. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Now you write it. Write it. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, hence verified. இது எழுதி முடிச்ச பிறகு இது எழுதுனா, first you write left hand side value, after you find right hand side value. Okay children, this is rough work. Okay, do it. ஸோ எதுக்காண்டி நான் இங்கே எல்சிஎம் எடுத்திருக்கேன், ஏன் மேம் கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கலான்னு நீ நினைக்கலாம். கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எடுத்தால் டினாமினேட்டர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது கொஞ்சம் பிக் நம்பராக வரும். சரியா, ஸோ கேன்சல் பண்ணுறதுக்குலாம் என்னவாக இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுக்கும். நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், எப்போவுமே மேக்ஸை பண்ணும்போது எது டைம் சேவிங்கோ அதுதான் பார்க்கணும். எந்த மெத்தடை நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு டைம் சேவ் ஆகும் அதுதான். அப்போ தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன செய்ய முடியும், எக்ஸாமில் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை ஐ ஆம் யூஸிங் எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட். ஸோ நீனே என்ன செய்யணும், கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட் எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணணும், எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் நம்ம எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத ஐடியா பண்ணிக்க. கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட் என்ன செய்யலாம், உன்னோட டினாமினேட்டர் ஸ்மால் நம்பராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா உனக்கு கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் மெத்தட் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். அதே இது டினாமினேட்டர் வந்து கொஞ்சம் பிக்காக இருந்துச்சுன்னா எல்சிஎம் மெத்தட் தான் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். சரியா, ஓகே, do it. Write neatly children, write without mistakes. Okay, here plus sign, minus sign is there, multiplication is there. Okay, more signs are having, so do carefully. Okay, have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay, now homework question. page number 25. Children, all of you take your book, page number 25. Children, all of you take your book, page number 25. You see the question number 11. Children, all of you take your book, page number 25. See that question 11. Question number 11. Verify the following. Okay, verify the following. You see here. First question in 11th question, first one, second one and third one. Okay, fourth already I done. So these three remaining sums are homework. Do in your note. Okay children, do in your homework note. Okay, clear? Children, again and again I am saying, write the homework and send it WhatsApp number. Okay, already we have group. 8 children, max WhatsApp group is there. So all the children, okay, without fail, you send the homework properly. Okay? Are you listening? Yes or no? Yes. Now we will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.